So I'm going to take a quick look at the advanced and browse search options of the new search interface. If I click the advanced search option, it'll take me to this screen here. And what you can see is that there's still different tabs for one-stop, catalog, and course reserve. So I can switch between these, and that will change the set of materials that I'm searching in. So one-stop search again is all kinds of material types from books to journal articles. Catalog is just what would appear in our old catalogs, so books, videos, DVDs, titles of journals, things like that. And course reserve, of course, is course reserve materials. There are different drop-down menus that I can use in advanced search in order to help narrow my search down a little bit ahead of time instead of having to facet everything afterwards. So I can look and modify things to say I want the words I'm using to appear in the title or the author field or the subject field, course reserve. I can say whether they have to be exact, start with, or contain those words. I can pick a quick publication range, so I can say it has to be in the last 5 years if I'm looking for a certain range of currency. I can choose material types, language types, and even a more specific date range if that's helpful to you. All these different rows are really nice because it gives you more content to work with. However, they're essentially connected by the Boolean and not or not. So they can't be changed. It's always connected by and here. So if you want to do a Boolean search involving or not, you have to do that in one of these rows by using the capital words or not between the words that you're using. So Napoleon or Waterloo instead of Napoleon and Waterloo. So let's take a look at an example here. So let's do something on cancer and Canada, and notice that I'm using the asterisk here. So this is a truncated search, so it's going to look for all ways to complete that root word, so Canada, Canadian, Canadiana, all of that stuff. And I'm going to change this to in the title, so cancer has to appear in the title of the works I'm pulling up. And I've specified I only want to look at things in the last 5 years. And of course, we're in the catalog, so we're not going to be searching the one-stop search or the course reserve. So 10 things come up that meet this. So you notice that some of them we have online access to, and then some of them are available in the library. And if I click that available in the library, I'm going to get the sort of print holdings information, except some of them are also both available in print and electronic format. So when you see View Online and also the Holdings tab, that means there are both electronic and print options for this. So the Holdings information will give me the call number and the location of the buildings. The View Online will give me links out to the resource. In addition to the advanced search, there's always also something called browse search. And browse search allows you to search by alternative methods that you wouldn't use very frequently, but sometimes it may be helpful. So for example, if you know the call number for a book, you can search by call number, or even if you have a partial call number, and click browse, it will pull up the nearest call numbers that we have to that call number. So in this case, we didn't have a PA, something that was cataloged with PA 143, but we did have PA 181, and that was the closest thing that came up. You can also search if you know the government document for an item, so we can do that. It'll pull up government document information. And you can also do a subject, author, or title search here as well. So those are the options for browse and advanced search, and that's pretty much concludes the series of videos on our new search system. And thank you very much for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.